Hi, I was just doing a disc detainer lock, and I thought I'd show you what I'd discovered with it. As I learnt off Lockpicking Lawyer, you should put all the discs as far clockwise as you can. And as I was doing that, this happened. And I'm sure you saw me lock that. So I do that again. It's locked. I use that as a tensioner thing to put them all clockwise. It's just a pen lid, taken out, bent the top of it, and I just stuck it in the hole, turned it, and it unlocked. That's the key. If anyone can explain that to me, I'd be really happy. Thank you. Bye.